Good evening, Jefferson families. I'm Pamela Dimney. I'm the principal here at Jefferson Elementary. I would like to welcome you to Open House. We're so glad to have all of you here. Just a few things that I'd like to share with you tonight that our teachers will be sharing with you tonight. They're going to be reviewing our beginning of the year screener, which is called MAPS. All of our children take it. They take it 3 times of the year, the beginning of the year, middle of the year, and end of the year. They're going to be sharing a family report with you, and they're going to be explaining how to read that report so that you can better help your student and help us here at school. They'll also be reviewing their classroom processes and procedures and all the different types of activities and curriculum that they use in the classroom. Also, we are a Title I campus, and so there is a PowerPoint out in the hallways that we will be running all evening that explains what all the ins and outs are of a Title I campus. We really would like you to view that PowerPoint, and also at the end of it, we have some note cards set out. So if you'd like to give us some feedback about any information, or if you have any questions about what about a Title I campus, please submit them there in the box next to the TV. Our teachers this year are using Clever to communicate with you. Last year we used Dojo, and so we're not using Dojo this year. We're using Clever. It's provided by the district. If you have not joined the invitation that your teacher has sent to you to join, I highly recommend that you do that. Our teachers, that's how they communicate different events that are happening. They can communicate with you about academics and student behavior. So please join the invitation that they've sent to you. We also have quite a few activities here taking place in the spring. On October the 6th is Picture Day, and you should have received some information about Picture Day. Also, we will have our Fall Festival on October the 26th, so we would love to see all of you here for that event. It is a very highly successful event, and the kids really enjoy it, and our staff enjoys it too. It's just a fun night of fellowship and entertainment. Then in November, we have our Thanksgiving luncheon, and we wish that all of you can come and have lunch with us on that day. And then in December, we have our holiday luncheon, and we will be posting the dates for both of those luncheons here soon so that you can put it on your calendar. Okay. Lastly, I just want to say we here at Jefferson appreciate your support and your collaboration with us here. Your support and collaboration helps us to ensure that our students are successful. Also, you ensuring that your child is here at school every day also supports your child's learning, and is very important to us that we see them every day, so that they are ready to learn and that they are successful in the future. Again, thank you for coming to Open House. We can't wait to see you. So enjoy your evening.